to the racist.
Back to the racist.
Shoot him with a dynamite arrow.
That's a title. Back to the racist. When those lamb chops come rustling into town, you know to get out of the way.
Serious lamb chops.
Makes it to where everyone can recognize you after you've run them over.
What do you look like? I don't know. We got the biggest lamb chops I ever seen. I know that guy. I suppose.
Oh, that was a dude.
Oh, that was a person. You know, I sleep at night so that it can be daytime and I'll have light. What the crap, Red Dead? Alright, I'm only going to plug you right here. There we go. Let's just walk through town with some lit dynamite on a bow.
In the rain.
In the rain.
You check
That guy's
over
still
on-
not here, though. Is
He's
he?
over
should be over there.
Jack.
Probably.
Yeah, he's still not here.
Neither's the cop.
It's because it's raining.
Mm-hmm.
Well, like,
Nobody likes
this
it.
stupid guy with some lit dynamite on a bow. Run for your lives. He's on the roads again. If not, I will go destroy. See if I can destroy a trolley with dynamite arrow.
That sounds like fun and not going to work.
You could just plant dynamite into a trolley and pop off of it.
Yeah.
Just do the cool guys don't look at explosions.
There
Get
he
your bow.
is.
He's here.
Get your bow.
Just put him in the bushes. In the bushes.
Where the trolley
right
can
there.
hit him.
Yeah, right in front of the
That's a
police
good point.
officer.
That's a good point. Let me come over here. Okay, did you went too far? Come here, dork. He likes this. We're bonding. There you go, right up here. Keep you safe. Keep you safe, dork. Get on the platform. It'll help. There we go.
Good morning.
Good morning, her.
Morning to you.
There we go. Come here, horse. Well, that didn't work quite like that. That's exactly what I wanted to do. Alright. Except I think I
You
just...
should holster your pistol.
Yeah, pistol. I got my dynamite arrow, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got him.
Yeah, you don't have to get those from the horse. They're already with the bow.
To holster your pistol.
Why I keep picking that up?
Because it's what's currently selected.
Hello.
All of my pamphlets.
Hey, racist.
I explain the exact difference between the races using real science.
Come on.
Somebody take a pamphlet!
What are you trying to do?
Engage with him.
Good morning.
There we go.
You, sir, do you want a pamphlet?
Oh, I want a pamphlet.
I suppose so.
You're
He's-
making a wise
He's so
choice.
happy.
I cannot tell you how many people are happy to imagine a world in which their children are monkeys or half horses. It's simply shocking. Shocking. Shocking, I say.
Did he say shocking?
I think he's shocked.
That's shocking.
Alright, can I, Okay, so I think I can shoot him with my bow now. Let's get some
Probably not.
distance. Let's get some distance. Hey, I listened. I took a pamphlet.
Yeah. Have you seen? So
right over
he's
here.
talking about people's children being half horses. Have you seen the real problem about centaurs?
Alright. No, I haven't.
The real problem with centaurs is foals can run immediately after being born, but babies can't hold their heads up. So they'll run around, just the baby head.
Oh, that
flopping.
cop doesn't like I got that out. He just pulled his gun out.
Must be better than the 19th century was. But so far,
See if he puts his gun away.
Congress has failed to act. If this goes on,
Yep. He's not gonna approve. We're gonna do it anyway. Oh, walking off.
Can you put your
Bye-bye.
mask on?
this will be
Yes.
the worst thing.
Yeah, probably
Don't need
better.
your horse.
But there's like people around him too. I feel kind of bad killing people.
Collateral damage.
It's justified.
In this glorious pursuit of good.
That mask ain't the start of anything good.
Jesus.
Oh my gosh! There he goes.
Now you
All
brought
right.
it up.
Yeah, dude. That did not go the way I had planned. Where's my mask? Oh, okay, I got my mask on. Good.
Yep, I
Oh
know.
gosh, look at all the cops. Oh my gosh.
No, most of those are witnesses.
Oh, are they? Okay. Okay. I'm okay. I'm just gonna get out of here.
Yep. They won't pursue you. No.
$20 bill.
Murder of a racist.
I blew up. Well, it wasn't just a racist. I'm pretty sure the horse and the driver died that got between us.
Alright, if you go
that
to
was
the
awesome.
shore, I noticed that the law won't look for you there.
This town has a lot of cops.
Alright, now you can just hide there, and I don't think they'll notice you.
But you can't swim, so you can't steal the canoe. Oh.
You really want to do that?
Kinda. I wonder if an arrow to the middle will take them all. Yep,
Yourself, boy.
got them all.
Dishonor for all three.
The guy on the other boat don't care though.
He doesn't. Where you? Oh, where you going, Pony? I want to see what he's doing.
Stay gold.
Stay gold, Pony. Where is he going?
I don't know.
That was random. Alright, so the cops aren't looking for me anymore.
Oh, there are cops who will notice you because you have a high enough bounty.
$20.
$20.
Yep, apparently that's all you need.
You didn't murder people.
I did. And a horse.
And a horse. And you made somebody do a wheelie.
A what?
And the wagon, it did a wheelie.
Oh, did it?
When you shot the horse, the whole wagon went back.
I really wish the devastation would be there, still be there. I would love to go back and take a look at it. All right, let's start with a fresh start. Boom. Done. Everybody's happy.
Now you can go see if there's any devastation.
Law's not looking for me anymore.
That's all. I wish things was different.
I wish things were different too, but here we are, me and my dynamite arrows.
Ready, boy?
Your 2 dynamite arrows.
That's your name is Buck.
Now all you have left is to try and take out the rail car.
Do you think it'll do anything?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Me neither.
Hello, rail car.
We're fine, ain't we?
Oh, the horse is like, nope.
Hey, it's not owned by Leviticus Cornwall anymore.
Oh, I didn't get my bow. Turd nuggets. There we go. Ugh.
Should holster your pistol though.
I swear.
I always pull that out. Maybe I should get my horse nearby.
Yeah, I don't think people are going to take kindly to you blowing up the trolley.
And what do you think? Am I too close?
Probably.
Yes!
I'm definitely too close now. Ah, he's pushing me. Mom, he's pushing me.
See, I wouldn't bother with arrows. I would get on the trolley and drop a stick of dynamite and hop off and let it ride away.
Oh!
Okay, that was a little awesome.
Oh my goodness!
That was amazing. Let's just appreciate this for a moment.
It's still going.
That's incredible.
Your bounty's going up!
That is just incredible. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, mommy. Okay, that's a good citizen. I'm just gonna say. Like a good citizen. Hey, come back! My horse is leaving. Ah! I'm gonna run! They're shooting me. Okay, there's a lot of people here. Hello, everybody. Look out. Hey, can I pay my bounty? No,
Yeah, right
they're gonna
now.
be closed right now. Okay, this isn't working. I gotta get out of here. I'll still later.
I like watching your bounty go from 50
Okay.
to 80.
That was incredible.
That was amazing.
I'm pretty sure it's because I just killed an entire streetcar of people.
Yeah. Well, and that's the thing is they were all burning to death. So your death count was slowly going up with time as they all just slowly burned to death.
That was horrible. Don't do that. That is a horrible thing to do to people.
Oh, there's another canoe.
I have one more.
You do.
Should I use it?
Yes.
We are terrible people.
No, gotta get the middle guy. Is there 4 people on that boat?
Yes, there's 4.
One fell out of the boat.
Hey, hey.
Nice.
The boat.
Sank the boat.
The boat just sank.
Total destruction. Thank you very much. They can't find me, those cops. Can I see them from here? Alright, that was amazing.
It was.
That was amazing. We're gonna stop there. That's enough destruction.
And that's a great place
There,
there.
I just blew up the racist and a horse, and then I blew up a streetcar full of people. Don't really have any. What do you add to that?
Yep.
Cool. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.